Hello friends, good morning everyone. Today we have to start topic number 7, Bill of Exchange, question number 13 and page number 295. See, in this question, single drawer and multiple drawers are there. View journal entries in the books of Bipin. So Bipin is a drawer. First transaction, Sonal acceptance for 3 months of rupees 20,000 was discounted with the Bank of India at rupees 19,750. सोनल का एक्सेप्टेंस बैंक में डिस्काउंटेड हुआ है 19,750. So in the books of drawer, Bank of India account debit 19,750. 20,000 minus 19,750, so 250. This is what discount allowed. So discount account debit 250 to bills receivable account credit 20,000. Being Sonal acceptance discounted with the bank. एक्सेप्टेंस डिस्काउंटेड विद द बैंक होता है तो एंट्री आती है बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अकाउंट डेबिट डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट क्रेडिट. आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड ट्रांजेक्शन, Brinda's acceptance of rupees 14,400 retire 1 month before the due date at rebate of 12% per annum. See here, retired 1 month before. So due date के पहले बिल पेड किया है. ओके, सो एंट्री इज हियर 1 year 12% पर एनम. सो 1 month बिफोर ही दिया है, सो 1% आएगा. 1%, सो 1% कितना आता है 144. दैट इज व्हाट अगेन डिस्काउंट पेड. सो एंट्री इज हियर कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 14,256. So 14,400 minus 144, so remaining amount 14,256. That is cash account debit. Cash comes in discount account debit 144 to bills receivable account credit 14,400. इस 14,400 का बिल पहले से 1 month पहले ही पेड किया है. सो अमाउंट रिसीव्ड इन द ड्रॉवर्स बुक, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 14,256, discount account debit 144 to bills receivable account credit 14,400. Narration being Brinda's retired at 12% per annum for 1 month. This is retirement of bill. Retirement of bill means here the acceptors of bill makes payment to the holder before the due date. Okay, before due date वो bill paid किया है, accept हुआ है. Okay, so entry cash account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account credit. After that third transaction, Rekha's acceptance of rupees 8,500 is endorsed in favor of Gayatri in full settlement of her account. So this is what endorsement of bill. Then entry is here Gayatri is a endorsee transferred to Gayatri. So endorsee's account debit, that is Gayatri's account debit 8650. Okay, then two bills receivable account credit 8,500. से 8,500 का बिल है. Okay, that Rekha's acceptance endorsed in full settlement. So entry is Gayatri's account debit 8650 to bills receivable account credit 8,500 to discount account credit 150. यहाँ पे discount received हुआ है. Okay, so being Rekha's acceptance endorsed in full settlement. After that fourth transaction, sold goods to Vinaya rupees 20,000 at 8% trade discount. Received half amount immediately, on which 10% cash discount was allowed. For the balance, a bill was drawn on Vinaya's, which was accepted by her. In this transaction, two journal entries are there. One journal entry that sold goods to Vinaya. So here next page working note is there. Working note. See, in this total goods sold, how much? 20,000. Here printing mistake is there. So 20,200, this is wrongly printed. 20,000 less 8% trade discount. So 20,000 के ऊपर 8% trade discount आता है 1,600. माइनस करके रिमेनिंग बैलेंस 18,400. See that half of the amount received. Then another sentence, received half the amount immediately, on which 10% cash discount was allowed. So 10% cash discount on half of the amount. So 18,400 ka half 9,200, that is cash received. In that 10% cash discount. So 9,200 into 10% 920 आता है, वो माइनस करेंगे तो 8280, दिस इज कैश रिसीव्ड. Then and remaining 9,200, that is received from Vinaya. Vinaya के पास से पैसा received होगा. So entry is Vinaya's account debit 9,200, then discount account debit 920, and cash account debit 8280 to sales account, being goods sold on cash and credit basis. So whenever we have to sold goods, then cash comes in and to sales account credit. एंड रिमेनिंग अमाउंट का बिल एक्सेप्टेड हुआ है. फॉर द बैलेंस अ बिल वॉज ड्रॉन ऑन विनया विच वॉज एक्सेप्टेड बाय हर. सो बैलेंस बिल is also accepted. So entry in the drawers book, bills receivable account debit 9,200, this is balance bill 9,200, to Vinaya's account credit 9,200, being bill drawn and acceptance received. So this working note is also important. Then here in this transaction, discounted of bill is there, then retirement of bill, and after that endorsement of bill. And here goods sold, and another half of the balance bill was drawn on Vinaya. So two journal entries are there. This question is also important. You solve this question in your notebook. Thank you.